So now the beta does come with also a much larger instruction booklet than the other one, the alpha had, with lots of pictures and lots of information here. I absolutely expect that most people would get something out of this by reading it, but we're going to, I've already read it, sort of know what to do, so that's I'm going to start putting it all together. So here we have the fuselage stick. The fuselage is actually quite a bit larger than the Alpha was. It seems like this entire model is quite a bit larger. And the way that this seems to work is it's also a snap-on. So it's on like this. And there is here, I don't know how well it can be shown on camera, but the bottom edge here is down and the rear edge is up. So it basically, it's going to make the nose of this go up, or the tail go down as it's moving, as it's flying. That's what's called, well, we call it decollage, even though it's not technically decollage. But the instructions showed to put this on the side. However, I see that there's actually a slot here. I'm not really sure why there's a slot, and also that. Obviously, what I'm going to do is follow the instructions. I'm going to take off the little bit of tape, and I'm going to tape it on the side instead of putting it into the slot. That just presses on here. Now it says that in the instructions that one of these is a little bit larger than the other, and when I look at it by eyeball, it appears this side is larger, so that this is the front. I'd recommend that you mark it if you can, just so you can see which one it is supposed to go on the front. So now that I know that's the front, I will go ahead and start to assemble this. I can do this on one side. I don't know how I'm going to do this same way on the other. And we'll do our best to get this together. It's a fairly stiff piece, and as you might be able to see, I'm actually bending this slightly as I'm putting it in, so it's got to be a little careful in putting that together. I'm just going to put this on somewhere, and we will move it as needed. Put on the front. I said I was going to put the wing on, but I decided that I was going to put the nose on first, and then just double check to see if they have any written instructions for how far back to put this.